Yeah, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Kobe Forest trading community. And yeah, as you can see, we had a very nice setup investment that we had on the gold spot that was last week Thursday. And I would like us to break down the market analysis, why we entered and what we saw before we went through the investment. And after that, we are going to do a forecast and for this coming new week, our view on gold. Okay, so let's get into the trading view and watching the gold pair. Okay, on the daily time frame. Okay, you can see that gold is pushing up. Okay, so what we did, okay, in the community, or what we do in the trading communities, we mark our most recent swings, whereby we were waiting for price to tag the swing high. Okay, so our swing high marked our swing low. Also, the most recent low is here, so we're expecting gold to play around on the daily time frame. Okay, these zones. Okay, so we also have another swing low over here. I think on the 4 hour it's much clearer, so we also mark this area because price can also visit that area. Okay, so when price tagged the swing high, okay guys, this swing high, when price tagged this swing high, the masses are, what they do is they are waiting for the break retest and push up, but we were expecting price to drop. Okay, so on gold, our view on gold is we're expecting gold to drop more to this low. Okay, yeah, so scaling in to the let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame on gold, okay, so you can see our setup. We exited this position on Friday. Yes, after having this impulsive move, we closed this trade and we have our forecast that I will do very soon on our view on what to be expecting on gold for this new week. Okay, so on the 4 hour, this is our swing high, guys. You can see after price tagging the swing high, we saw, let's zoom in more for more clarity. We saw there is a very massive shift up. Okay, this move clearing the swing high, then you see after this 4 hour bearish strong candle, okay, this bearish 4 hour engulfing candle gave us a clue that now the sellers are coming in. And after this bearish candle, guys, just watch how price pushed up. We had another almost we had 4 hour bullish candle, but this bullish candle, okay, never even exceeded the high of this one bearish candle. So this is a clear confirmation that what, this is the language that the market has what printed out, okay, saying to us that the sellers are coming in. So to catch this move we used what market was telling us around this area to expect more sales to come. Okay, so let's scale in to the lower time frame on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, you can see, yes, so this bearish candle that we saw, okay guys, the bearish candle that we saw over here on yeah, this bearish candle, okay, on the 4 hour bearish candle gave us this move. Okay, and you can see we have the double top formation, and in the community we have one strategy that we use, how price approach this high of the double top or the M formation. You had an impulse correction impulse over here, so those in the community really understand. Yeah, so after having this push down, then probably price gave us this bullish candles on the 4 hour time frame. This bullish candle, we saw that this is giving us in a more of a corrective faction, because if 4 or even 3 of a bullish candle must at least exceed the high of one bearish candle. So this is very clear that we're in a corrective pattern. So impulse correction, then we are targeting the next sell move. Okay, the next impulse down. So on the 30 minutes, okay, this is where we scale into where we're able to spot what our selling entries. Okay, so there's the corrective pattern. So we drew our trend line. Okay, so we were expecting the break of the low. Okay, the break of the low of the trend line, which is this. So the break retest and we enter, but this one we set a pending sell stop at the bottom of what this trend line. Okay, so the break of this support trend line, we expect price to fall, and price broke it during the London session on Thursday, and before the start of the US we had this correction around, that was around 10:11 to 12 GMT. We had this corrective pattern, then immediately the New York session opened. See how gold dropped massively. Okay, so at the time that the market dropped, we were automatically inside this trade. Okay, with our self stop pending order. So that was the technical analysis behind the investment that we went in for gold. Okay, so now I think let's clear all of our reliance. Okay, so now what we are expecting, okay, our forecast, okay, for gold on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so our forecast is this. Now we, after tagging the swing high, okay, the most recent swing high, let's draw most recent swing high. So what our takeaway is, what we are expecting for this coming week, what we are expecting over here is what we are waiting for, what a correction, okay, to happen. Then we take another sell to this low. Okay, so this is our main what move, or our main view, okay, on gold spot. Okay, so you are waiting for correction to happen, then we take the next move. Beginning of the week, that's Monday, Tuesday, we might stay in a corrective pattern for a while, trapping people for more sells, taking them out, faking more buys, taking them out. So at the end of the correction, we take our next move. So those in the community will be updating the kind of the corrective pattern that this pair will be showing to us. Those in the community really knows when I talk about corrective patterns. We know most of our corrective patterns. So the one that is likely to form during the week when market resumes, we will be analyzing them and see how the corrective pattern forms. Then what we take our next move. So this is what we are expecting for the gold market, okay, to give us. Okay, so I'll be updating each and everyone inside our inner cycle community what we are expecting gold to do. Okay, so before I end the video, our training and mentorship, okay guys, our training and mentorship is still open, and those that are interested in taking their forex trading to a very higher level, to the peak that they desire, you can still enroll. Okay, it's 200 USD. You'll be part of the community. Our training and mentorship we have, immediately you start our training mentorship, you start to find clarity. Okay, so those inside the community really understand. Yes, and our services is still open, so you can contact us if you really want to take forex trading very seriously. You want to treat your trading as a business, you want to treat your trading as what, as your lifetime thing that you want to do, then you are welcome also, okay, in our training and mentorship. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I will end the video now, and I thank you, and also you can like and subscribe us. Okay, so bye bye.